Hello, how are you doing today? My name is Shanna, and I am Travel with Shanna. I am a passionate advocate for more travel and better health and for doing things that help you live your best life. Now, you are probably here because you have maybe been looking at using Epicure products. Maybe you have a friend that is trying to get you to try something new, and you are wondering if they are more expensive than the products you are already using. You're wondering flat out if it's going to make your grocery bill more expensive, right? And I completely get where you are because I was in exactly the same place not too long ago. I looked at the products that my friend was trying to share with me and thought, gosh, this seems awfully expensive. And since then, I have realized a couple things that I want to share with you today. The first thing that I want to say right off the bat is comparing Epicure to the products that you are used to getting from the grocery store is like comparing apples with bricks, right? Two completely different categories of things almost. I don't even want to say apples to oranges because those are kind of close, but the reason is the quality of Epicure products is so much higher. They're almost all non-GMO. They're triple tested gluten-free. There's nothing yucky in them. This is for a separate video, but look up the Epicure Never Ever list to see all of the things that they will never put in their products. When you look at Epicure products, you look and you just see real wholesome, simple ingredients. So that's a big difference right there. But here are 4 other ways that Epicure products will actually help save you money on your grocery bill. All right. So number 1 is there is going to be less waste because you're not going to need to buy 10 extra jars of stuff or extra ingredients, specialty things that you're going to use one time for one recipe. And then they're going to sit and spoil in your fridge. Epicure really minimizes that because of the thoughtful way that their meal solutions and their seasonings are put together. So it is less waste. You're not going to need as much other things to create these recipes. They're very simple recipes, and so you're going to be buying less stuff in general. All right, so that is way number 1. Number 2 is Epicure products are super flexible. So think of Epicure like the paint, right, that you're going to use, and think of the thing that you're cooking with, whatever meat or protein or vegetable it is that you're using, as the canvas. Epicure is like the paint that you put on the blank canvas. So you can add it to whatever is on sale and cheap that week at the store, whatever is in season. It can help you eat more fresh things that are in season. And so in that way, it can save you a lot of money because it is just super, super flexible, can be used in a lot of different recipes. It's like a basic cooking blend that can be adapted to many different things. So that's number 2. Number 3 is Epicure is easily dividable. So Epicure packets and seasonings are easy to divide, so you only need to use what you need. So if you're a single person and you don't need to make 4 servings of something, you can use half the packet and just divide the recipe in half and use the rest later. If you're just making lunch, say you're just making macaroni and cheese for your 2 kids and they're going to eat like 1 serving in between the 2 of them, you can just use whatever you need of the macaroni and cheese packet, divide the recipe in most cases, and save the rest for later. So that is going to help save you money. All right. Number 4, Epicure is going to help save you money if you are already buying more expensive gluten-free or vegan products or almost any sort of specialty product. Epicure works for a number of different specialty meal types. It's 100% gluten-free, 100% nut-free, mostly vegan, sodium conscious, sugar conscious. So all of these things, if you are buying more expensive products at a specialty grocery store like a Whole Foods, are going to save you money because you can buy it from Epicure, right, and cut down that cost quite a bit. And the number 5 way that Epicure saves you money is that there is a cost involved in illness and in being sick, whether that's you being sick and missing days from work, whether that's your kids being sick, and that basically means you missing days from work. That all has a cost associated. So shifting your diet to a more wholesome um, diet is going to help save you money that way. And in the bigger picture, it's really going to help you to improve your quality of life and to live your best life, right? To go after your dreams, to have the health and the vitality that you need from good nutrition that that isn't super complicated, that is super easy, that fits into your life, right? Because we all know if it's something that's super complicated, we're not going to do it. Epicure makes fitting good nutrition into your life super easy by giving you meal plans, by giving you 20-minute 20 minutes to the table dinner recipes that you can just literally get out on the table in almost no time. So that is what I've got for you today. So if you would like to know more, if you are interested and you would like to try Epicure products, I would love to help you if you're not already working with somebody. So please reach out to me. I'm going to put my contact info down in the comments of this video. Please do reach out. I would love to help you get hooked up with good food real fast that is going to make a real difference in your life. So I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you again soon.